Okay, number 256 in your homework for polynomials asks you to factor the expression completely. So here we have a fun one. So these are pretty large numbers, and I notice how they're all multiplied. We have this 0 in each of them, so that means they're all multiplied by 10. So we can take out a 10, and we can also take out some of these variables here. So I'm just going to rewrite this first as 10. And then our smallest z power is squared, so we have a z squared. And our smallest w power is to the 5th in each of them, so we have a w to the 5th. Then I would have a 4 left over minus, if I pulled out a 10, that would be 20. W I have gone. I have just a z left. Then I have plus 25. W is gone. Z squared is pulled out. I have a z squared left. So then we can factor this parentheses further. So we need to find two numbers that multiply together to 4 and 25. So we have 4 times 25 is 100. And when A and B are added together, they equal negative 20. So I'm going to list the factors of 100. And notice how they have to be negative factors because we have to add them to get a negative 20. So we can have, let's say, like negative 1 times negative 100. We can have negative 2 times negative 50. We can have negative 4 times negative 25. We can have negative 10 times negative 10. And when I add negative 10 and negative 10, I get negative 20. So negative 10 and negative 10 is what we can break this negative 20z down into. So we rewrite this as 10z squared, w to the 5th, times 4 minus 10z minus 10z plus 25z squared. Then rewriting it again, I have z squared w to the 5th. Now I'm going to group two of these together and another set together. So from 4 and negative 10z, I can pull out a common factor of 2. Then I'm left with 2 minus 5z. Then grouping negative 10z and 25z squared, I have a greatest common factor of negative 5z. Then I have 2 and a minus 5z. And so I have the same set of parentheses here. So that means I can group 2 and negative 5z together. So I'll have 10z squared, w to the 5th, times 2 minus 5z, times 2 minus 5z. And we have 2 minus 5z times 2 minus 5z, so that's just 2 minus 5z squared. So our final factored form is 10z squared, w to the 5th, times 2 minus 5z all squared.